In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an appointment scheduling option to your Squarespace website, and we'll do that in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking to streamline bookings through your site, this process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and find the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on Login, and once there you'll notice an option that says Continue with Google. This is a convenient feature if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google credentials. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed to select the right account to get started. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with a list of your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to add the appointment scheduling feature. With your site selected, you'll be taken to your website management area. Here, look for the edit button. It's usually easy to spot and often leads you to the site's configuration options. Click on edit to enter the editing mode for your site. Now within the editing menu, there's an option called Add Block. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Add Block is your gateway to adding new functionalities and widgets to your website. Among the options available, find the one that says Code. This block allows you to embed custom code into your site, which is exactly what we need to incorporate an appointment scheduling feature. Next, you'll need to make a little tweak. Click on the pencil icon that appears when you're inside the code block. This icon is your access point to edit the coding area itself. Before you proceed, make sure you have your appointment scheduling code handy. If you're using a service like Calendly, log into your Calendly account. Navigate to the Share section, then select Add to Website. You'll see an option for Inline Embed. Copy the provided code because that's what we'll need for the next step. Head back to your Squarespace editor, and in the space under the pencil icon, paste the inline code you copied from Calendly. This embed code integrates directly with your site, enabling clients to book appointments seamlessly. Once you've pasted the code, it's always a good idea to verify that everything looks right. To do this, click on Preview in Safe Mode. This feature lets you see how the embed looks on your site without affecting the live view for your visitors. Make sure the scheduling tool is displaying as expected and that it's responsive. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, remember to click on Save. This step ensures that all your changes are stored and that the scheduling feature goes live on your site. And there you have it, a fully functional appointment scheduling option integrated into your Squarespace website in just a few simple steps. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.